In this video, I am going to discuss traveling salesman problem. A salesman plans to visit n cities. He has to visit each city exactly once. Again, arriving back to his home city from where he started, so that the traveling distance is minimum and the traveling cost also minimum. There are n-1 factorial possible ways for his tour. For example, if he visited 4 cities means there are 3 factorial, that is 6 different combinations are possible. These kind of problems can be solved in a different manner. Here I am going to explain through Hungarian algorithm. Here the main thing is, after finding the optimum assignment, the root condition must be satisfied. That is, starting from his home city, he has to visit all the cities exactly once and return to his home city. Now the question is, solve the following traveling salesman problem using Hungarian method. Here some 4 cities are given. The traveling cost for each city is given. A to A is not possible. Similarly, B to B is not possible, C to C is not possible, and D to D is not possible. These are the restricted cells. For other areas, the city A to B, the cost is given. The city A to C, the cost is given. The city A to D, the cost is given. The traveling cost for each city is given. We have to find the optimum assignment cost and the root condition for this particular problem. Step 1. Assign a high cost infinity in the restricted cells. Here, city A to A, city B to B, city C to C, city D to D are restricted cells. Here you have to assign a high cost infinity. This will be excluded in the further calculation. Kindly watch my previous video for restrictions in assignment problem. Let me write. City A to A is infinity, 46, 16, 40. Second row, 41, infinity, 50, 40. Third row, 82, 32, infinity, 60. Fourth row, 40, 40, 36, infinity. You have to assign infinity for the restricted cells. Here we have 4 cities. Number of rows is equal to 4. Number of columns is equal to 4. So the problem is a balanced one. Step 2. Row reduction. Select the least element from each row and subtract it from all the elements in that row. In the first row, the minimum element is 16. Second row, the minimum element is 40. Third row, the minimum element is 32. Fourth row, the minimum element is 36. With the minimum elements, you subtract the other elements. In the first row, 16 is the least number, that is infinity. 46 minus 16 is 30. 16 minus 60 is 0. 40 minus 16 is 24. In the second row, 40 is the least number. So 41 minus 40 is 1. Infinity. 50 minus 40 is 10. 40 minus 40 is 0. Third row, 32 is the least number. So 82 minus 32 is 50. 32 minus 30 is 0. Infinity. 60 minus 32 is 28. Fourth row, 36 is the least number. So 40 minus 36 is 4, 40 minus 36 is 4, 36 minus 36 is 0 and infinity. Row reduction is over. After row reduction, we go for column reduction. In the reduced matrix, each column you have to select the minimum number. First column minimum number is 1, second column minimum number is 0, third column minimum number is 0, fourth column minimum number is 0. The first column 1 is the least number, so infinity. 1 minus 1 is 0. 50 minus 1 is 49. 4 minus 1 is 3. In the first column, 1 is the least number. So, infinity, 0, 49, 3. Other three columns, 0 is the least number. So, you write as it is. 30, infinity, 0, 4. 0, 10, infinity, 0. 24, 0, 28, infinity. Column reduction is over. After performing row reduction and column reduction, we have to find the assignment. The first row 1, 0 is there, so you put a square on it and you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. In the second row, 2 zeros are there, so you skip that row. If you have 1 0, you put a square on it. If you have more than 1 0, you skip that row. In the third row, we have a single 0, so you put a square on it and you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Once we complete the row scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered or not. Here some zeros are not covered with the lines. So we have to go for column scanning. In the first column, we have a single 0. So you put a square on it and you have to draw a horizontal line passing through that 0. Now, second column, third column already cancel and fourth column, no zeros. After row scanning and column scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered with lines or not. Here all the zeros are covered with lines. Next you have to check number of rows is equal to number of assignment or not. Here number of rows is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows. Number of assignments 1, 2, 3. Since number of rows not equal to number of assignments, the current assignment is not optimal. To get the optimal solution, we have to find a new cost matrix. For finding new cost matrix, we have to follow some procedure. We have to select the minimum value from the uncovered portion. 3 is the minimum element. With the minimum element, you subtract all the uncovered elements and you have to add it with the intersecting element and write the other elements as it is. If you have a single line, write as it is. If you have a double line, you have to add. If you have no line, you have to subtract with the minimum element. Then you will get a new cost matrix. First value is infinity. 0 is covered with a single line, so write as it is. 49 is uncovered, so 49 minus 3 is 46. 3 is uncovered, 3 minus 3 is 0. 30 is covered with a single line, write as it is. Infinity. 0 is covered with a single line, write as it is. 4 is covered with a single line, write as it is. Now, third column, 0 is covered with a single line, write as it is. This 10 is covered with a double line, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Infinity, and 0 is covered with single line. Next, 24 is uncovered, so 24 minus 3 is 21. 0 is covered with a single line, write as it is. 28 is uncovered, so 28 minus 3 is 25. And you write infinity. This is the new cost matrix. For this, we have to find the optimum assignment using Hungarian algorithm. For that, we have to perform row scanning and column scanning. The first row, we have a single 0, so you put a square on it and then you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. In the second row, you have 2 zeros, so you skip that row. In the third row, you have a single 0. So you put a square on it and you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. The fourth row, you have single 0. So you put a square on it and then you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Now row scanning is over. After completing row scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered or not. Here the 0 is not covered with lines. So we have to go for column scanning. First three columns are already cancelled. So you have to check with the fourth column. In the fourth column we have a single zero. So you put a square on it and then you have to draw a horizontal line passing through that zero. After row scanning and column scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered with the lines or not. Here all the zeros are covered with the lines. Next we have to check number of rows is equal to number of assignments or not. Number of rows is equal to 4. Number of assignments is equal to 4. Since the number of rows is equal to number of assignments, we can say that the current assignment is optimal. In the traveling salesman problem, we have to check route condition also. Starts from city A. From city A, he goes to C. Then after C, he goes to B. After B, he goes to D. Then after D, he goes to A. Let me write the route condition. He starts from the city A. He goes to C. From C, he goes to B. From B, he goes to D, then from D he goes to A. Here the salesman starts from his home city. He visits all the places exactly once. After that he returns back to his home city. So the route condition is satisfied. So here I write from to the cost. There are 4 cities A, B, C, D. From A he goes to C. From B he goes to D. From C he goes to B. From D he goes to A. We write the cost from the original problem. City A to city C first. So the cost is 16. Then city B to city D. The cost is 40. City C to city B. The cost is 32. City D to city A, the cost is 40. The cost is from A to C 16, B to D 40, C to B 32, D to A 40. The cost is 128. A to C the cost is 16, B to D the cost is 40, C to B the cost is 32, D to A the cost is 40. So the total is 128. Here the minimum traveling cost is 128 and the route condition is also satisfied. In this way you have to find the optimum assignment schedule and the route condition for traveling salesman problem using Hungarian algorithm. Hope you all understand. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.